Abu Dhabi is beginning a pilot project for autonomous logistic trucks. They are building smarter transport and logistic systems. Autonomous trucks can make cargo movement faster and more reliable. Will drivers lose jobs? Experts says this change will not happen overnight. Autonomous trucks work best for repetitive fixed routes inside ports and industrial areas. Human drivers will still be needed for long distance trips. A big news from Abu Dhabi. The UAE has launched the Middle East first driverless cargo truck pilot inside the KEZAD industrial zone. These smart trucks are designed to move containers using AI technology without a human driver. So today, AI is everywhere and helping people work faster, smarter and easier in daily life. From mobile phones to transport system, technology is changing the way the world works. But honestly, many people never imagined that AI could even drive a truck on real roads. Now, Abu Dhabi is proving that driverless trucking is becoming reality. In this video, I'll explain how these trucks work, why the UAE has started this project, the safety features behind it, and what this could mean for the future of logistics and transportation. So let's get into it. Abu Dhabi is beginning a pilot project for autonomous logistic truck. The project has backing from Abu Dhabi Mobility, AD Port Groups and tech partners. These trucks drive without a human driver. Right now they run on fixed routes inside KEZAD, a controlled industrial area. Engineers watch the trucks from control room and collect test data. This is the first pilot like this in the MENA region. Here's how the truck moves. They use cameras, radar or LiDAR sensors, GPS maps and computers that run artificial intelligence. The sensors scan the area around the truck all the time. The computer uses that data to decide when to speed up, slow down, turn or stop. The trucks follow preset routes inside the industrial zones. During testing, people still supervise the trucks to make sure everything is working right. So why does the UAE want this? They are building smarter transport and logistic systems. Autonomous trucks can make cargo movement faster and more reliable. They can cut delays and use fuel better. They can also lower accidents caused by tired or distracted drivers. The UAE aims to be a global logistics hub connecting Asia, Europe and Africa. New technology can help make supply chains faster and cheaper. So, safety is a top concern for driverless trucks. That's why testing starts inside controlled industrial roads, not a public roads. Engineers test how trucks react to obstacles, road changes, bad weather and other vehicles. The team studies the sensors and software to see how they behave in different situations. Regulators and companies must prove the trucks are safe before they move on to a public highways. I can understand your question. Will drivers lose jobs? Experts says this change will not happen overnight. Autonomous trucks work best for repetitive fixed routes inside ports and industrial areas. Human drivers will still be needed for long distance trips, talking with customers and making emergency decisions. At first, the tech will likely work alongside people. Over time, job roles may change and new skills will be needed. What could happen next? If the pilot succeeds, testing could expand to more areas and longer routes. Regulators will make rules for safe use on public roads. Other Gulf countries like Saudi Arabia, Qatar and Oman might start similar projects. Widespread use could change how goods move across the region in coming years. And that's the latest update on Abu Dhabi's driverless truck pilot. The future of transport is changing fast and the UAE is taking a big steps in smart logistics and AI technology. There is no fear in innovation when it helps make roads safer and delivery smarter. This is just the beginning of new era in transportation. So what do you think about driverless trucks? Tell me in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more transport and logistics updates. Thank you.